There are two scenarios when you may get the warning saying trailer disconnected in a Ford vehicle. Firstly, if you actually have a trailer that's attached to your car and plugged into the socket, the trailer disconnected message means there is no contact between the socket and the plug. And if you don't ever see this message when there is no trailer attached to your car, the most likely culprit is the plug itself. Its contacts may be affected by water or moisture and they may get corroded. Fortunately, in the majority of trailers, replacing this plug with the main wire is not that hard, but some trailers will require soldering work. The problem is that signal loss is intermittent, so when you stop and turn on hazard lights or blinkers, you may see that the message is gone and all lights work perfectly. So you may ask someone to drive behind your vehicle when the hazard lights are on and see if the lights go off when you see this message. Sometimes shorted wires or bad ground in the trailer's wiring can also cause this, but in the vast majority of cases this is the plug itself. The second scenario is when you may see this warning when there is no trailer attached to your car. This is quite a common issue that's connected to the trailer socket. In a lot of Ford vehicles, the socket is prone to water damage. It can even have some water trapped inside. In this case, the contacts will corrode quickly and short with each other. Whenever the computer feels a loss of contact or any abnormal behavior of the socket, it will throw the trailer disconnected warning. So there are two places that can corrode or go loose and create the problem. First of all, this is the socket itself. You may actually use contact cleaners and dielectric grease to fix the issue for some time, but it's only a temporary solution. And if the socket looks fine, there is another very common place that causes this warning. Just track down the wire that connects the trailer socket with the electrical system of your car. After just several inches, you will see another connector. It may be located under the vehicle's body or in the trunk, usually in the spare wheel compartment. This connector is often affected by water and is corroded, so again, you may clean it or just replace the trailer socket assembly along with this connector.